Exceptional inventiveness and physical beauty. The best of Momex, a collection of figments of the imagination that are unpredictable, beautiful, and out of this world. The New York Times raves. Eye-popping and mind-boggling. Everything looks magical. Don't miss this chance to see the best of Momex in a surrealistic journey, featuring the most striking images from over 25 years of work.